Welcome to our unboxing of the Micropod Microgreens little farm they sell. So let's see if it's any good. It says on the box, create a microgreen farm at home with this grow kit. So let's see if we can do that. For this unboxing, I'd like to call my able assistant, Ola Adamczyk. Ms. Adamczyk, could you open this box for me, please?
Sure, Rob.
What is in this box, Ola? We've got welcome to our growing community. And if you've got one, welcome to our growing community. We're all part of the Micropod Microgreens growing community. I know what these are. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. So these are the seed pods or little trays. So this is a timber base. The main reason for this is so you can keep them in an order. So you might have some you've done a week ago, some you've done 4 days ago, and some you've just done today. So let's show the viewer what is in these seed pods. Can you hold them up, Ola? So you've got two there, and you've got these little beeswax holders within the tray. So Ola, if you'd move that out of here too, we can show people how to put one of these together. So the first thing you're going to need is the seeds. Now the seeds are kept in these boxes that come with the kit. So we'll open that up. They're not seeds.
That must be the seeds.
Here are the seeds actually, well done.
Yay.
Good, 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 good. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is get one of these seed pods. So you can show just one, not two. Yep. So you put that there. Now, you undo the plastic to get the seed pods out. So the seeds are already in the cardboard. So if you can open that up. Put that in here. Carefully placed in, it will balance there on those ridges. So if you get one out, you'll be able to tell which side the seeds are on. And you'll face that side up. Can you see seeds there? I'm getting that old, I can't see them.
Yeah.
Okay, now we need 280 mils of water. Oh, here's some we prepared earlier. Can you tip that over the top, please, Ola?
All of it?
Yeah. It's the amount they said to use in the instructions. Until it just starts to float at the end there. Now, I'm pretty sure the next thing you do is put that lid on it. And wait. So you'll keep this in a dark place for a few days. You'll have a different germination depending on what seed you're using. Some germinate quicker than others. But within a few days, this should germinate. Once the seeds come through, then it's simply a matter of exposing it to sun and giving it a little bit of water, but obviously, because these are microgreens, you're going to be cutting them off and eating them. So let's come back when we see the final product. So it's now 4 days later, and as you can see, these have sprouted. Not the healthiest crop I've ever seen, but not bad. So that's a pretty good start. Interestingly, what I noted was when we filled this up, the little plastic sheet inside was floating, and now 4 days later it's not, and the water levels declined a bit through evaporation, no doubt. So this is 4 days. You get your new one, put it at this end so that we keep growing. When you push this under, you'll find it gets thoroughly soaked from the water, and then presumably in another 4 days, this will look like this, and this will be in my tummy or higher. So I'll actually show you the device. If I could get Ola, if you would help me by moving these and filming the bottom. We just move these off the board. So they've got a lovely little board here that shows you when you first wet them and put them in, when they're a bit higher and when they're higher. So Honestly, you'd have to be pretty stupid, but even if you are really stupid, this excellent system will keep you in mind as to where your seeds are at. So this looks like a pretty good way to grow microgreens. I find it a little bit better than the Bio Snacky, which is the one I had. It's actually up there, the Bio Snacky, the clear plastic one. I found using that the seeds got mouldy, but I'm in a very humid climate in the tropics in Cairns in far north Queensland, so it wouldn't surprise me if that works fine during the dry season. But for now, I'll be sticking with this micropod as part of the new growing micropod growing community. Thank you for being part of it. I'll put in a link to these people in the footnotes, but I think this is the way to go, for me at least. Thank you. Have a great day.